Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview HQUA PN01 120V LED Inground Pool Light. The HQUA PN01 is a great option to replace the pool lights existed. No need to buy other LED bulbs to fit as it is fixed inside the fixture already. LEDs, you could use the old electric cords or our new cords to serve a new in-ground pool. PN01 Pool Light contains face ring, light assembly, 100-foot electric cord, transformer with 3-pin plug, UL listed and is fit for standard wet niches. Features: integrated system. This light is assembled. Excellent electrical safety. Contains a IP68 power supply for the outdoor use. Good quality and long life. 35-watt LED pool light is equivalent to 300-watt incandescent bulb. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.